You've just clocked out of a long, grueling shift. You're mentally calculating how you're going to stretch those hard-earned dollars until payday. And then it hits you, when exactly does Chime deposit money? Is it midnight? Is it when you wake up? Or is it something entirely different? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about Chime deposit times. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. In a world where bills are due on specific dates and unexpected expenses pop up, knowing when your money will hit your account can be a game changer. It's like planning a road trip without knowing the distance, stressful and inefficient. Direct deposit. Okay, let's start with the most common scenario, direct deposit. This is when your employer or government agency sends your money straight to your Chime account. The good news is, Chime often gets your direct deposit up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks. That means if your payday is Friday, you might see that money as early as Wednesday. However, it's important to note that this isn't a guarantee. Factors like your employer's payroll process and the ACH network can influence the exact timing. Mobile check deposit. What if you get paid in checks? No problem. Chime allows you to deposit checks right from your phone. Typically, these deposits take 1 business day to become available, but it can take up to 5. To speed things up, make sure you endorse the check correctly and take clear photos of both sides. Also, consider the lighting. A well-lit photo can help the system process the check faster. Cash deposits. Need to deposit cash? While Chime doesn't have physical branches, there are partner retail locations where you can deposit cash. Once your deposit is processed, the funds should be available within 2 hours. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with cash deposits, so check the details before heading out. Factors affecting deposit times. So, we've covered the basics, but there are a few other things that can impact when your money shows up. Bank holidays. If your payday falls on a bank holiday, your deposit might be delayed. Weekend deposits. Deposits made on weekends or holidays will likely be processed on the next business day. Check processing. Check deposits can take longer if the check is from an out-of-state bank or if there are issues with the check itself. Chime system issues. Like any system, Chime can experience occasional glitches. While rare, these issues can cause delays. Tips for faster deposits. While you can't control everything, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of getting your money faster. Set up direct deposit. This is the quickest way to get your money. Check your account regularly, stay on top of your balance and transaction history. Contact Chime support. If you have questions or concerns, reach out to Chime's customer support. Understanding when your money will hit your Chime account is essential for managing your finances effectively. While there are factors beyond your control, knowing the general timelines and taking steps to expedite deposits can help you stay on top of your financial game. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.